Hey guys, welcome back to Big Al's Do It Yourself. This is going to be a quick little video on how to clean your outdoor condenser coils. I'm going to show you something real quick. I've cut the power off to the thermostat, and then out here is the disconnect box. We're just going to kill the power there, and we're just going to remove all these screws on the top to pull the fan out. And then I'm going to expose the sides too, so we can get our foam cleaner in there and see how good a job we've done. I'm not going to tell you how long it's been since I cleaned this outdoor unit coils, but you can see that we're in a pretty clean area, so there's not a lot of dirt or anything around the base of the unit, so that should help it. But a quick little tip here, get you one of these little 90-degree adapters for your nut driver. It'll be handy taking these screws out on the back side. So let me pull all this stuff apart and then we'll look and see what we got. Okay guys, we got all the covers off that we can get off. Everything's propped up. Just be real careful even though the power's off. This little guy right here can really hurt you storing power. Okay, it's a capacitor, so don't touch any of that stuff in there, and I would recommend trying to keep it dry too. But down inside there's not too many leaves because this thing is sitting on a patio, but this backside, if you can see it, looks really dirty. So I think this unit's going to benefit from a good cleaning. So I'm going to vacuum these leaves out and clean it all up, and then I'll show you how I apply the foam. So this is a foam cleaner I'm going to use right here. It was very popular on Amazon. We're going to test it here and see how well it actually does work. I bought 2 cans because I hear that it's just not enough to do a thorough job, especially if you have to repeat it. So we're going to try that here in just a minute. But while I got you in here, I want you to look down at this orange compressor here. If your unit has one of these and it was made by American Standard, brother, this is a workhorse. They do not make them like this anymore. This was made around 1999, 2000, and it has been going strong for all this time. So when this unit does finally die, you can actually sell that right there or sell the whole unit for a lot of money. So do not throw it away. All right, let's go ahead and get this unit cleaned up. Okay, so this stuff's pretty easy to apply. You just shake it up really good, and then you just want to coat the fins as much as you can all the way around till it all foams up. So this looks like a good penetrating foam cleaner. So we're going to coat everything inside, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off. Okay, so this can was plenty to do a 3-ton unit. If you go any bigger, I'd recommend getting 2 cans, and sometimes you may have to do this twice. So we've been sitting for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to use a gentle spray with the hose, and we're just going to start rinsing from the inside out, and we'll see how things look. Okay, well, we gave it a good rinse and a lot of debris and stuff came out of there, so I think it certainly did help. Plus, those coils inside look a lot shinier and cleaner to me. So I'm very happy with this, just doing it one time, but being the overachiever I am, I'm going to do it one more time, and then we're going to rinse it off again and put it all back together and wait till it dries and then fire up the system. So while you got everything off, go ahead and check your fan blades. Make sure there's no dirt daubers, nest on there, or any debris that'll off balance it, and go ahead and clean that while you're at it. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for this episode. We'll see you next time. Remember, you can do it yourself.